Hello, my name is Purnamurti and I'm a yoga teacher, and I'm here to talk to you about breathing properly. And already you might be thinking, well, I'm alive, so I am breathing properly. But far too many people develop bad habits with their breathing, and it does affect your health. The yogis have always known that breathing properly improves your health and your sense of well-being. So what do we do wrong when we're not breathing properly? Well, we breathe too fast, or the breath is too shallow or too high in the chest. And we need to use all of the lungs to get that vital oxygen that every cell in the body needs. A lot of people develop the habit of breathing with their mouth. The mouth is only your backup system. Your nose is the major organ for breath. When you breathe in and out with your nose, then the air is warmed and cleansed before it reaches your lungs. And breathing with your nose helps to slow the breath down so that you don't snatch every breath in and aggressively push every breath out. The other thing that can go wrong is that you get taught to breathe in the wrong way. How many times has someone said to you when they want to pass you in a small space, breathe in? So you automatically make your body smaller by pulling in your tummy and pulling in your chest. And those movements are designed to push air out of your lungs, and so you're severely restricting the amount of air you can take in. So we're going to look at how we can remedy that one too. But bad habits don't go overnight, so you will need to have a little bit of gentle discipline, and you will need to practice breathing in this way. You'll really only be teaching your body what it already knows how to do. So I want you to first of all to think about your abdomen and to gently place one of your hands over your navel. And then as you breathe in with your nose, I want you to think as though you're filling your abdomen with breath. Of course, the breath is only going into your lungs, but I want you to feel that lovely movement as your navel gently moves forward as you breathe in and back towards your spine as you breathe out. It's best to do this sitting in a chair so that your back can be straight and you can keep your chest open. If you find it difficult because you find you've got into the habit of pulling your tummy in when you breathe in, then it might help if just for a few breaths you breathe in with your nose and then you gently release the breath out through your mouth. Breathing in with the nose, feel the abdomen move forwards and breathe out through your mouth. And feel your navel moving back towards your spine. Don't give yourself too much to do at one time. Maybe try that about 5 times. Little and often is better than becoming frustrated because you spend too much time trying to get it right and then you feel as though you aren't getting anywhere. Once you've tried breathing into your abdomen like that, place your other hand in front of your breastbone. And now think about moving your rib cage. As you take a slightly deeper breath in, feel your rib cage move forwards and out to the sides and behind as well. Use those big muscles that you have in your chest to be able to move your rib cage. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And practice this 5 times also. And then try and let those 2 movements happen together. So the tummy is going to move and the chest is going to move at the same time as you breathe in. What you have to remember is that your lungs are like 2 balloons sitting inside your chest. When they fill with air, they expand just like balloons do. And when you breathe out and you release the air out of them, they deflate a little bit. If you don't move your rib cage, it's like putting that balloon inside a milk bottle. And as the balloon hits the rigid sides of the milk bottle, no more air will come in. If your chest and your tummy don't move when you're trying to breathe in, you're really going to restrict the amount of air you can breathe. So there has to be movement in the chest. Do this little practice as often as you can remember to do it. Don't be disheartened. Don't give up. A lot of people have said to me in the past, "Oh, I'll think about that when I feel better." Well, I'm telling you now that this will make you feel better. It will cause your energy levels to rise, and it will make you feel much more wide awake, and your whole health generally will improve. So start today, slowly breathing in, filling those lungs with air, and eventually you'll start to enjoy it. But hard habits are difficult to break, so it might take some time before you get used to breathing in this way. But eventually you'll start to do it without even thinking about it. And I promise you, it makes a whole big difference to the way that you feel and the way that you think. So why not start now?